So we have been installing cameras in our sporting facilities to allow for our families and community to attend our sporting events that have returned without necessarily being in our facility.
Which way?
With the state guidelines only allowing 200 people in a gym or 200 people in a facility, those slots are used up by our student athletes and our staff and our trainers and officials, announcers and scorekeepers. So it was really a limited access to the facility, and all the things that would take place to try and get just a few family members in didn't seem equitable. I can't imagine being put in the position not to be able to watch my own child in person.
So he's currently up there adjusting the angle of focus, so that way we can ensure we get the whole court. The system consists of 3 components, 2 cameras, one that watches the court, one that watches the scoreboard, and then we have a computer that then streams that footage back to the website that allows the fans to watch. The camera has artificial intelligence, and it knows what to look for. It looks for the ball, and it tracks the ball. And so it has smooth transitions. It zooms in close to where the action is, so that way it's just like you're sitting in the stands watching with your own eyes. That camera is just sitting in the stands for you.
I was here finishing up the day yesterday, and one of the volleyball players asked me what I was up to, and I explained to her and I showed her the new camera, and she thought that was really neat and that she was going to be on ESPN, and I told her, yeah, it's great quality. It's going to be just like ESPN.
The video makes you feel like, you know, something's happening again. You hear the cheers in the background, and it makes you just for a couple hours put everything aside and say, this is cool, and this is what we need to support and watch.